Yeah, people sending love, man. So since last Saturday, I've been getting some symptoms. I actually done my show Saturday night, and then Sunday I come down with a fever and felt like I'd been working out in a gym for flipping hours. Aches and pains on the body. It was just a mad one. What else? Also as well, today developed a slight cough. And all the natural remedies that I've been taking have been working slow, Dread, real slow. My voice has changed. Sense of smell's good. None of that. Appetite all good. No nausea, nothing like that. Decided to get some exercise today because I've just been cooped up in the house for about a week. And to be honest, you know, I don't mind it because I sit in my man cave and get on with some beats, but you're not feeling up to the beats as well, so that's what makes it tricky. So, and with this thing, if you give it a chance, it just licks you up more. So you got to make sure you're resting, hydrating, and just eating your, your home remedies, drinking your home remedies. I'm on the teas. I've got my Elecampane root. I've got my flipping Archangel root. I've got my flipping ginger, lemon, flipping garlic, turmeric every day. You know what I mean? But I've been feeling my chest. It's been feeling the lower chest. Been feeling very discomfort. Been feeling a lot of discomfort. Yeah, a bit of a mad one, peeps. But just keeping a little log. Do you know what I mean? So I can backtrack and see what's popping. Find out, if I need to change something or whatever. But yeah, this thing here is a fight, man. People think that, not people, but me in general, I thought this would just be like, oh yeah, flu symptoms, and most people get that, but boy, for the unlucky bastards like me, you know what I mean? If you're an unlucky bastard like me, you just get all the symptoms coming at you, and it just lingers. And there was one Saturday night, I felt alright. I felt like, yeah, man, one more day, and then I'll be good. But then what happened was, Saturday night I went to bed after the show. I was feeling great, but I didn't get enough sleep. Wasn't able to sleep properly that night there. Woke up next day, and I felt like I was flipping back to square one. So this thing is just coming and going. You know what I mean? And I've heard of people got it long. I'm not going to say the word because, like, do you know what I mean? Babylon shut down my channel and all that for talking about it. But I just want to spread my experience and my love. Like, end of the day, I'm not trying to say what's popping. I haven't taken the old procedure, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? So, yeah, well, maybe that's why. But at the end of the day, there's no wrong or right out there, man. Everyone's just doing their best to survive in these mad up times. So I just want to send love, let everyone know the progress, how it's going. Because I haven't really been uploading much. Didn't really see no videos because I've just been resting. Today I got a little, like I said, I got a little cough. Not major, dry cough as well. And if this is mild of what people have experienced, blood seed, I definitely won't want to get the real thing. So guys out there, just stay safe, man. If you're still alive, keep on doing what you're doing. Love to you. Yeah? Peace.